Swarovski lovers, thanks so much for joining me today. I sincerely appreciate it. I'm Harmony, owner of Rainbows of Light, your Swarovski authorized reseller. The holidays are in full swing, and I wanted to share with you how to make a pair of really sweet angel earrings. They're so beautiful and very simple and easy to make. I've started making them for gifts, and I'm really excited to give them, and I'm excited to share with you how to make them. All right, here are our sweet angel earrings that we'll be making today. How cute those are. What you'll need are 2 earring hooks, 2 head pins that I cut to 1.5 inches each, 2 jump rings, 2 55 9mm Crystal AB pear-shaped beads, those are Swarovski, 2 Swarovski Crystal 5000 6mm AB beads, 2 5/8-204mm silver, I used the Jonquil today, and the 5/7-5/4-8mm butterfly beads in clear crystal. So it's very simple. All you do is take your head pin. We're going to take the 5500mm bead, string it through here, and then take the butterfly bead, string that like that, then the 5000 6mm bead, and then top it off with the 5/8-204mm silver Jonquil. And then all you need to do is take your pliers, make a loop here at the top, and then take your jump ring, open it up, and then string it through here, string your ear wire through there as well, and then close it up. There we go. There are your little angel earrings, and then you just duplicate it and make 2 of them. Very simple and sweet for the holidays. Thanks so much for watching. It means so much to me. I hope you like this little design, and if you do, please like, share, subscribe, all those fun things. That means so much to me. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm always here and happy to help. So yeah, let's just keep smiling and keep shining.